Listen, say what you will, but things like this is the reason why Saitama could have a big impact on cryptocurrency down the line. Look at this right here. It says two reasons why you should be bullish on cryptocurrencies in general and on Saitama. So it says reason one, trillions of dollars are expected to be transferred from bonds or other asset classes, especially cryptocurrencies. It says interest rates look like they're set to reverse almost 30 years of declines. Okay, it says the decline started at the beginning of the 90s. It says it means that for the next 10 years, bondholders, okay, so this is a transition from out of the stocks, okay, so it says 10 years, bondholders represent 63 trillion or 43% of total U.S. household net worth. Okay, we'll almost certainly lose money by holding on their bonds. Okay, now I said this in past videos that you can lose money. You will lose more money in the stock market than in cryptocurrencies. Okay, I know some disagree with me out there, but hey, we are seeing it. And it says, keep in mind that the market value of bonds decrease with interest rates when interest rates go up as they become less appealing. New bond issues offer increasing yields. Okay, it says a substantial portion of that 63 trillion will likely flow into other assets such as cryptocurrencies because look, cryptocurrencies is becoming a thing. Okay, it is the thing. All right, we're going out of that old way of investing. Like I said, old millions and old billions are about to be old money. It's about to become new billions and new trillions with cryptocurrency. Okay, so continuing, it says, assuming that just 5% of conservatives of the 63 trillion goes into cryptocurrency, it means that 3.2 trillion of new money will enter the market. Okay, and it says reason two, it says trillions of dollars are expected to be transferred to younger investors. This is going to play a role, okay, in crypto. Okay, and it's going to play a role into Saitama because believe it or not, whether you don't like Saitama, Saitama is becoming mainstream. It will be up there with Doge. It will be up there with Sheev. Okay, it says trillions of dollars are expected to be transferred to younger investors over the course of the next 5 to 10 years. Okay, it says over the next few decades, an estimate 68 trillion will be transferred from U.S. household to heirs. Younger generations. What generations right now are in investing? Younger generations are into crypto. Okay, it's a younger generations that, as we all know, are more willing to invest in cryptocurrencies. Okay, and in charity, although that remains to be seen. Okay, it's according to an analysis of high net worth, ultra high net worth markets by a consulting group, Cerulli Associates. Okay, it says nearly 60 trillion, 88% is expected to go to heirs. In US, 8 trillion, 12% to charity. It said most studies suggest that 80% or more of heirs will look for new financial advisors for inheriting or after inheriting their parents' wealth. Now, why are they looking for those new advisors? Because a lot of the younger generation, it's just a new way of investing. Okay, a lot of the advisors that a lot of the parents have in place, though, a lot of those individuals right there, some of them they're just not experienced on a new way of investing. Okay, and a lot of the younger generations know this, which means a lot of those old way of investor advisors will be going out the door. Okay, and so it says assuming that just 5% of the 60 trillion goes into cryptocurrency, it means that 3.0 trillion of new money will enter the market. Okay, look, we're going into a new wave, and I keep telling individuals either get with the new wave or be left behind, because like I said, a lot of new investors, crypto is about to become a new way of life. Okay, with NFTs, purchasing goods, metaverse is about to become a new way of life. Okay, we're about to have a new transition, and unfortunately, the stock market in my opinion, is going to be old news. Okay, if you're starting out investing, not really financial advice, but if I was starting out investing, I would just go to cryptocurrency. You get faster returns. The stock market, you're going to have to wait years for your returns. Okay, and it's going to be even more slower in the stock market now, since the trend is now trending towards cryptocurrencies. Okay, so it says for the U.S. alone, these two reasons combined should bring in about 6.2 trillion of new money into the crypto market. Okay, they said net worth effects could also significantly add to this amount, with some experts estimating its impact to 2 to 4x to the amount of new money brought in. It said net worth effects occur since cryptocurrencies like Saitama will become more useful as more people join the network. When more investors, including these new investors, get into crypto, the next generation of new investors, who will be some of the top coins besides the cliche tokens like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all of that, it will be the meme coins. Who will be sitting at top? They're already going to get into SHIB. They're already going to get into Doge. Okay, and let me rephrase that also, because Doge, in my opinion, and for all you Doge holders, don't kill me out there, okay? But Doge has the potential to actually probably fall off, okay? Because I see a lot of those. I can picture a lot of Doge investors. I can see a lot of Doge investors getting into SHIB, okay? I can also see a lot of those Doge investors getting into other meme projects that advances up with SHIB, okay? Because look, let's keep it real. A lot of these projects, they're just going to have more utility to offer than Doge, okay? And one of those projects, I know will be Saitama. Okay, they already have a good platform. I think the credibility is there. I still like SAITAMASK. I like what they're offering as far as the buying and selling goods. I like the NFT space. I like the metaverse space that they want to get into, and I like the fact that they want to offer education. They're putting a lot of emphasis on education. So I believe at the end of the day, it will be SHIB. I think it will be Saitama, and it will be Doge. Those are my top three. Newer generations that will come in, they will be flowing into these projects, including Saitama. Okay, so I just wanted to talk about this. I was looking at some of this stuff. You guys know I love sharing things. And I will catch you all, okay, on the up and up. And if you also want to, like I said, you join the Patreon. The links will be in the description. We have some pinned projects up there, okay? Some pinned pre-sale projects up there, okay? And we also have the merch links also in the description. So if you guys want to check those out, you can. And I will catch you all on the up and up. Howdy.